These salamanders may hold the key to human tissue and limb regeneration. My name is Josh Currie. I'm an assistant professor of biology at Wake Forest University, and my lab researches how tissue is able to regenerate in certain organisms and not so well in other organisms. Salamanders in general, the amphibians that you would find out in your creek or up in the mountains, really the only animals with full limbs that can regenerate those structures. The way that an axolotl regrows its limb is that after it would lose a limb, is that it would heal that injury just like pretty much any other injury that you or I would have. But then the really amazing thing that happens is that cells start to accumulate under the skin that's healed over. And they form this mass of cells. That mass of cells will start to kind of undergo a redevelopment of the missing pieces, and it will replace and reconstitute only the parts that were lost. There's really a spectrum of different outcomes that would benefit from being able to learn how to heal better, to scar less, and to regrow some tissue. It's being able to apply some of those principles of limb regeneration to things like post-operative healing, muscle injuries that you might have on a basketball court, to actually impacting patients with limb loss or limb differences. All of those things can be impacted by learning about how regeneration works in an animal that has figured it out, like the axolotl. So our most recent published work was really a collaboration of 3 different labs working in different animal models with regenerative abilities. And what we were able to show is that there are specific genes that are conserved, that are shared among the regeneration of all 3 of these organisms. And if you're missing them, regeneration doesn't work properly. What we were able to show is that we can somewhat replace the outcome of those missing genes using gene therapy. And I think there will be kind of iterations of these kinds of gene therapies that will allow us to push further towards kind of a regenerative outcome.